Good morning, class. We already learned about allied angle. In allied angle, we have to find out the value of T ratio, 6 T ratios. So we must keep in mind here procedure to find out allied angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points are there. If the angle is in the form of minus theta, first we convert into theta. Means minus theta should be converted into theta. As example here, cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, because minus theta it will go in fourth quadrant. Likewise, number 2, if the angle is more than 360, so if one round is completed, it is 360. More than 360 means it will come again in first quadrant. So we will convert into n times 360 plus theta, and n times 360 plus theta will be same trigonometrical ratio in first quadrant. So all will be positive. Third rule, if the angle is more than 180 degree, use formula 180 plus theta. 180 like 200. If it is 200 degree, so we can say that 180 plus 20. Sine 200 means sine 180 plus 20 degree. So it will be 200, and then we will find out. Next, if the angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, then we use 180 minus theta, because 180 minus theta it will lie in second quadrant. We use this one. Or we can use 90 plus theta, because 90 is here, 90 plus theta, or 180 minus theta. In both the case it will be 180. So in both the case, whether you use 180 minus theta or 90 plus theta, it will be second quadrant. The one more points, if need, you may use 90 minus theta also for that. So now some example. You will make it more clear with the example. Sine 350. Sine 315 degree. If it is sine minus 315 degree. So first of all, negative sine theta. So we will write minus sine 315 degree. Because sine minus theta is minus theta. Minus sine theta. Now 315. So 315 is less than 360. So 360, how much less? So 60 minus 15. 60 minus 15, if you do 5, and here 5 by 4, 45 degree. So we can write minus sine 360 minus 45 degree. Minus sine 360 minus 45 will be sine minus sine 45 degree, because 360 minus 45 is in fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant value of sine will be negative. So finally you will get sine 45 degree. This is one example. Like that, another example is that cos 1760. If angle is, suppose, cos 1750, we will get 1750. So 1750 we should divide first 360. If you divide 360, you will get 4 times. Okay. Is equal to cos 4 times 360 plus 310 plus 310. 4 times 360 plus 310, you will get 360 times 4 is equal to 0. 6 4 24, 4 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, and again 310, 310, you will get 57, 1750. So 1750 can be written in this form: cos 4 times 360 plus 310. Then what we'll get? We get cos 360 plus 360 plus theta means it will go to in first quadrant, so we will write cos 310. Cos 310, 310 is less than 360. So what we can write? Cos 360 minus 50. 360 minus 50 is 310. Finally, you will get 360 minus means it will lie in fourth quadrant. You will get cos 50. And cos 50 you can find out from calculator. No. One more example I will give. If theta is equal to 1000, the value of theta is equal to 1000, then what is the value of sine theta minus cos theta? Sine theta minus cos theta. Theta is equal to 1000. 1000, how we can write? First convert it. N times how much? If you divide 1000 3 times 360, you will get 1080. 3 times 360 is equal to 1080. So we can write here sine 3 times 360 minus 80 is equal to 360 minus 80 is minus 80 minus sine 80. 360 minus 80, it will lie in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine will be negative. So minus sine 80. So here we can write sine 3 times 360 minus 80 minus cos 3 times 360 minus 80 is equal to negative sine 80 negative, and here you will get positive cos 80. From here value sine 80 and cos 80 we can keep put from calculator and put the value and get the solution. In this way we can find out any large value, how many times it is. Another type of question is there, sine 2x. Suppose sine 2x is equal to 0.6428. Then find x. Find x. How we will find? So here, if you bring sine that side, 2x is equal to sine inverse 0.6428, and this value you will get from calculator. Shift sine, put the value and you will get. So 2x, how much value you will get? Suppose here you are getting, from calculator you are getting 2x is equal to 40 degree. Then x is equal to 20 degree. 40 divided by 2 is 20 degree. In this way we can find out. So exercise 8D, you will do problem number 1 to 12. All 1 to 12 you will do. Doubt, you will ask in Telegram.